I'm getting ready to replace my outside receptacle where I actually charge my Tesla. That outlet probably came original to this house, which is about, what, 50 years old. I never done replacing an outlet as far as I remember. I've done adjustments to outlets, but I never wired one, so I did look it up how to do it just to make sure I don't burn the house down. And it does say right here, WR, weather resistant, 15 amp, 125 volt. I think the main thing is that if you wire on the top on one side, then you have to wire on the top on the other side as well. Or if you decide to do it on the bottom, you do it on the bottom. So most of the receptacles, from what I learned, is wired on the top for just the inbound line, and then you would put the outbound line on the bottom if there's such a thing. But I think this is only gonna have the inbound line, and then you put the ground here on the green. And these also have these push-in options, but I'm gonna use the screws. I just feel more comfortable with that. So this is essential because this is what it's gonna get replaced. As optional, I did buy a box. We'll see how the box looks like. I might not need this. I bought a new cover because you'll see the old covers stays open when something is plugged in. So this allows you to keep plugging it in, and then you can bring the cord itself out on the bottom right there. This little piece will slide out. Checkers to make sure it is off. I already figured out where to turn it off, but you can't be too careful. So this was worth the money. It's under $10. It's a little cold, so I've been delaying this progress. I've done wiring before. I've done ceiling lights and outdoor lights, things like that. So I'm not totally uncomfortable, but as I said, I don't think I've ever done an entire wiring of this yet, and I don't know what I'm gonna find. Do I have enough length of wire? Do I need to cut it and re-strip it? I don't know, we'll see. Pretty rusty.